carried all our burdens without asking for a light. Your hands were worn from labor, but your heart was full of grace. You gave me hope and courage, so I could find my place. Every step I take today was built by your sacrifice. Thank you, Father, for your love, for lifting me when life was hard. Jesus calls you home above, and heaven keeps you in His arms. Though I miss you every day, I know we're not forever apart. You taught me how to stand strong and walk the honest way. You gave me education so my future would be safe. I wish I had